Hello everyone, welcome back. This week's lesson, I'm going to be going over the three isometric views. So if I'm going to provide you guys with a link to the first one. So this is going to be two of three isometric views. So isometric views are pretty much anything that you see an object or a drawing that is kind of like viewed in this direction. It's not in this direction, but something like this. So this is considered an isometric view basically. So that's how it looks like. And I kind of put colors on these. So these are you got your red, your green, and your blue. The reason for that, I guess I put up here a cube. It's an isometric cube. So whenever you guys see like whatever views you guys actually see, this is always gonna stay the same. So for the red one, this is always gonna be the front view, the top view, and then you got your side view, which is the blue one. So no matter what direction you actually move this around or flip it, if it's oriented in just like this is always gonna stay the same for these views. And I guess for this next part, for isometric view angles, what I mean by that is the lines that I'm clicking right now, I'm just gonna copy these down so you guys can see it. So these lines are at angles. So these are lines are actually following the 30, 60, 90, 120 angles. And that's pretty much the rule for isometric. You are not going to be doing 45 or 90-degree angles. These, for isometric views, it's going to be following this rule. So I guess on this lesson, I'm going to be showing you guys how to start from scratch on creating the isometric view. So let me just go down here. So these are orthographic projections. Orthographic projections are the top, the front, and the side view. So we're going to be using these dimensions and these views to create the isometric view, basically. So I'm just going to be copying it over to the side, and I'm just going to be using this as a reference. So for this one, we're going to be starting a little bit different just because I can't go on a clockwise direction, and we're gonna go in pretty much in different directions. So we're gonna be starting off with the side view, and then doing part of the top and part of the front view. So for your first step is to actually adjust your angles. So you're gonna have your color setting down here. So if you actually click on the little arrow, it's gonna give you like these options down here for the different angles. So for default, it's gonna be set either to 90 or 45. The one that we're looking for is the 30, 60, 90, 120 angle. So we're gonna be clicking there just so you guys won't have to figure it out, or if you guys mess up, those are gonna be set correctly. So we're just gonna click it one time, and now it's actually has a check mark on it, so it's set. So now we're gonna start on this one. So we're gonna be starting with the side view. So I'm gonna click on my line, and we're gonna be starting at the bottom right corner. So we're gonna go here, 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 and here. So I'm gonna go down 3 units, and then I'm gonna be going up 1. For this one, I don't have it, but okay, I still don't have it. This is gonna be your you're gonna be using this one. So 3 minus 1 is 2, so this one's gonna be a 2. And then for this one, it's going to be you got like a total of 3 minus 1, so this one's gonna be 2 going up. And then you're gonna be going across over, it's gonna be 1. So you got it over here on your top view, it's gonna be 1 up here. And now I just connect it. So we just did our front view. So now we're gonna be doing part of the top view on this one. So we're gonna be going this uh, this spot. So I'm gonna be clicking on this. So it's 4 units over. So we're gonna be going over 4. And then for this one, you could actually copy this line because it's gonna be the same measurement. And now we're gonna be, we start from here. We drew a 1 here, and now we're gonna be connecting it. We see this line right here, so it's gonna go across. So now we're gonna be going, I guess, from this corner down to here. So we get a 3 minus 1. This is gonna be 2. So now we're gonna stop there for the front view, and sorry, we're gonna stop there for, I guess, this section. We're gonna be doing the top view. So we're pretty much down here on this view. So we're gonna be going over. It's gonna be 3 minus 1, so it's gonna be going over 2. So it's gonna be doing this one. So 3 minus 1 is gonna be 2. And now we're gonna be going down. Gonna be going down 1. And it's gonna be this one, so it's gonna be going over 1. Up 1. And you're just gonna draw your square just like here. Now you get it like you got the same, it's gonna be 4, so you guys are gonna be doing the same thing over to the other side, so you guys could actually copy that over. Just because we have it here as well. So now we're gonna be drawing this line up here. So for this line, we have 3 minus 1, which is going to be 2 for this one. So pretty much, I think on this one's the same one. You guys could actually copy it over. Same thing over here. And now we need to draw a line, not all the way, but it's going to stop right here. So we're going to be drawing a line that's going to be 1.5. So we're going to be drawing a line at the middle, down 1.5. So 1.5 is considered this one. So this one's kind of like it's not part of the drawing, but it's just to help you guys out, just to draw it. So now you guys could actually copy that down, because it's gonna be this one. So 1.5 there. Now you guys are gonna be drawing that line, that missing line right there. So it's gonna be up 0.5. So now you guys could actually trim it. And for this one, this is gonna stay the same, so you guys could actually copy this over. Just because you guys have this, so this is gonna be the same one as this one. So now you guys could actually draw that missing line up there. And that's gonna be your view, guys. Any questions, just let me know. But pretty much, this is the idea. Message me if you guys want. Thank you.